Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to expand double brackets expressions. Let's have a look at this one. We have these two brackets, x plus 1 that multiplies x plus 2. Now, when you multiply two single brackets, what happens? I will explain you a few methods that you could use, strategies. But this is what I'd like to explain, and I think would be good for all of you to use. So look at the first brackets, the terms of the first bracket. And remember, each term of the first brackets multiplies the second bracket, which means x multiplies the whole bracket, and then 1 multiplies the whole bracket. So the first stage or the first step would be this one. So x that multiplies x plus 2, okay? And then remember, the sign remains the same, plus 1 that multiplies x plus 2. Just like that, can you see? So the first term multiplies the whole second bracket, and the second term of the first bracket multiplies the whole second bracket. And what you have now? You have expansion, two single bracket expansions. So again, this term that is outside the bracket multiplies each of them. And this one multiplies each of them. We're lucky for the second one because it's 1 and it's not going to be very complicated. So x multiplied by x becomes x to the power of 2. X times 2 becomes 2x. And then 1 that multiplies the bracket, it is the same, and the sign is plus, plus, plus. Everything could be, you can get out of the bracket, the terms of the second bracket exactly as they are, right? And then now this is not the last stage because we have to add like terms, because you have to multiply brackets and simplify at the same time. Then this is the stage of simplification. Simplification means to add or take away like terms, right? So we have 2x and x here. We can add both of them. So we leave the x to the power of 2 as it is, plus 3x plus 2. And this is the last form of expanding, multiplying double brackets, all right? Or expanding double brackets. So this is what it is. And you can't go further because to add like terms, the terms, so the variable should be the same for both terms, but the power should be the same as well. So x to the power of 2 and 3x, both of them are not like terms, so you cannot add them. Remember, yes, you can multiply or divide, but not add or take away. Right, so the next one, we have this one, x plus 2 that multiplies x plus 2. Is this the one we've done? Yes, we've done this one. And now x minus 5 that multiplies x minus 4. Again, first term multiplies the second, so the first term of the first bracket. First term of the first bracket multiplies the whole second bracket, just like that. And this stage of this expansion is very important. Now here is minus 5, so keep the sign as it is, minus 5 that multiplies x minus 4. X minus 4, right? And then now we can expand. This one makes x to the power of 2 minus 4x, because you multiply the term outside the bracket with every single term inside the bracket. And this minus 5 multiplies the x and minus 4. Okay, now minus 5 times x becomes minus 5x. And then minus 5 times minus 4, remember, becomes plus 20. And now this is the stage of simplifying this expression. X to the power of 2, do I have another x to the power of 2? No, I don't, so leave x to the power of 2 as it is. I have minus 4x minus 5x. Same letters, xx, same power to the power of 1 to the power of 1. So I can take away, I can add them. So minus 4 minus 5 becomes minus 9x. Go. And then plus 20. And of course, you cannot add 20 to any of them because they're not like terms. And this is the final stage. This is the final stage. Next one it is going to be this one, 2x plus 4 multiplied by 5x minus 4. Right, again, this is the first term, 2x, and 2x multiplies the whole bracket. So I'm going to have 2x that multiplies the whole of the second bracket, 5x minus 4. Close the bracket. And then plus 4 multiplies the whole of the second bracket, 5x minus 4. Just like that, right? And then now we expand, which means expanding to two different single brackets, and the term outside the bracket multiplies every single term that is inside the bracket. So 2x times 5x. Remember, 2 times 2 is 10, x times x is x to the power of 2. Now, 2x times minus 4 is minus 8x. Now, this is a plus, 4 times 5x becomes 20x, and 4 times minus 4 is plus, 4 times minus 4 becomes minus 16. And let's see if you can simplify anything. So 10x to the power of 2, there's no other term that has x to the power of 2, so I'm going to leave it as it is, minus 8x plus 20x. Yes, I see x here, x here, same letter, same power. So yes, both of them make 12x, because minus 8x plus 20x, 12x, and minus 16. Leave minus 16 as it is. This is the final answer. You can't go further, and you cannot simplify. Now, how about this case? It says x plus 2 to the power of 2. How can I do this one? Now, to the power of 2, as it is with numbers or with letters, it is the same with brackets. So it means the bracket can multiply itself twice. So this means that x plus 2, so times x plus 2. Okay, so let me write the example exactly as it is. So x plus 2 to the power of 2 is the same as x plus 2 times x plus 2. Right, just like that. And so we apply exactly the same strategy that I just taught you. So we multiply the first term by the whole second bracket. So we have x that multiplies x plus 2, close the bracket, plus 2, that multiplies the whole second bracket, so x plus 2. Now we expand each of the single brackets, and then this is what we have. X to the power of 2 plus 2x plus, again, 2 times x, 2x, plus 2 times 2 make 4 plus 4. And again, x to the power of 2, leave it as it is, because there's no other x to the power of 2, plus I have these two terms that have x's, so 2x plus 2x plus 4x plus 4. And this is the final answer, okay? Now, this is some independent work that you can do from home. Here, you have in the three first examples, it's a whole bracket to the power of 2, and that means you multiply the bracket by itself. So 3x minus 1, that multiplies 3x minus 1, okay? And so on, do exactly the same thing with them too. And follow the strategy that the first term of the first bracket, remember, first term, first bracket multiplies the whole bracket, and then second term multiplies the whole bracket. And follow the steps one by one. And here, 2 single brackets. Again, follow the steps one by one. Thank you very much for watching my steps. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.